Okay, so the force of gravity on something is called weight because it is a force and it's measured in newtons. So on Earth, Odie's weight is about 100 newtons. On the moon, Odie's weight is around 16 newtons. Can you think of why? Well, the difference is the gravitational force. So that means that the gravitational force on the moon must be less than the gravitational force on Earth. In deep space, far away from other planets and stars, Odie's weight is almost zero. He's pretty much weightless. Can you think of why? And so that would be because the gravitational force is pretty much zero. So remember, mass measures the amount of material of an object. And in our equations, it's going to be measured in kilograms. So Odie has a mass of about 10 kilograms. That means he's made of 10 kilograms of blood, bones, hair, and stuff. So that's his mass on Earth. So if he goes to the moon, Odie hasn't changed. He's still Odie. That means he still has a mass of 10 kilograms of blood, bone, hair, and stuff. So if Odie goes to space, he still hasn't changed. He's still Odie, and that means he's still made of 10 kilograms of blood, bones, hair and stuff. Okay, so mass is the measure of how much material you have. It's measured in kilograms. And weight is the force of gravity on the object, and it's going to be measured in newtons. So calculating weight. So the force of gravity is in 1 kilogram is called gravitational force. It's measured in newtons per kilogram, or in other words, meters per second squared. So to calculate weight, of an object, you're going to multiply the object's mass by gravitational force wherever you are. So it's weight equals mass times the gravitational force, or W equals M times G. Okay, so let's do an example. So we're given the gravitational field strength on Earth is about 10 meters per second squared. So that's the force of gravity. What is your weight if your mass is 45 kilograms? So we're given the G. The G is about 10 meters per second squared. And we're given the mass is 45 kilograms. So what is your weight? And weight is a force, so it's going to be measured in newtons. Weight is mass times the acceleration of gravity, which is G. Okay, so let's plug in. We have 10 times 45, so that's 450 newtons. That's pretty easy, isn't it?